Develop success from failures. Discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping stones to success. Dale Carnegie. My friends, did you hear that? If you're having a hard time, this is not coming easy. You're making mistakes. You are on your way to learning this. So stick with it. You can do it. And I'm coming to you a little early. I got to get on a plane out west here in a few minutes. It's 2:31 as I record today. Right now, everything is down. The entire market across the board, stock market, bond market, gold market, and Bitcoin. Let's jump first into SPY. We saw average volume last week. Now again, the high that we hit most recently was 609.07 last week, 608.43. Now we're showing a doji this week. Where's volume going to be for us? Is it going to show us that we're getting ready to move down, or are we just having one of these fake outs where things move up, then they pull back, then they take off again? Don't know yet. We'll continue to wait, watch, and see. We can see on the half-day chart things spiking down today. Look at all that volatility. You can see on the two-day chart representing Tuesday and Wednesday, it is clearly below the weekly trend line. Even on the weekly chart, the candle itself is below the weekly trend line. Showing a doji means extreme indecision. Let's look at what's up with the NASDAQ 100. It's been the big gainer. It's been, unlike the S&P that has been sort of shagging along sideways, the NASDAQ 100 has been going up and up for the last 3 weeks. It's down 0.87% right now. We can see where on the prior two-day candle we had the high. This two-day candle, that was the Monday the 13th, and then Monday the 16th. This latest candle for Tuesday, Wednesday, is not reaching the highs. We do have, I don't think we're going to get up to even average volume here. We're about halfway to average volume this week on the weekly. And you can see today with the down move, don't have a lot of volume backing that up, but it is cranking over. So we'll keep an eye on the NASDAQ 100 as well. Not as fearful of it really pulling back hard and potentially rolling over as we are of the S&P, but we'll just continue to keep an eye on things. What about 20-year U.S. government bonds? Well, like everything today, it is down. It is down 0.97%, so almost a percent. Right, that red spinning top after the interim high back on the week beginning the 2nd of December. Then last week, the 9th of December, starting then, we had that red spinning top and further down movement. See where things kicked up a little bit yesterday. We talked about that from the Tuesday market. And of course, today down. So we'll continue to keep our eye on bonds. We're sort of ambivalent because we don't have any volume backing us up on anything there. Gold pulling back after we had that, little bit of up move last week. This week, a red down candle. We can see as the 2 days accelerating down, the half day also. Things had dropped strong on Thursday the 12th, Friday the 13th, leveled out a little bit on Monday, and then started moving down again on Tuesday. So gold down right now. But again, we don't even have a trend line we can draw there. Bitcoin itself pulling back. Now, Bitcoin's been doing this, been going up, pulling back a little bit, going up, pulling back a little bit, going up, pulling back a little bit. Typically what? 3 or 4 half days. So again, that's a day and a half to 2 days if we, add that up. So maybe we'll have another day of this and then it'll pop back up. We'll just have to wait and see, but you can see where it's just been record shooting up. It is pulled back a little bit for the day. Of course, the high this week, 122.63. Right now, 117.51. That is where we are as we wrap up the day here on Wednesday. 2 more days to trade. I will be traveling. I hope I don't get delayed in bringing you the show tomorrow and on Friday. If I do, please bear with me, as I will be out in the wilds of Utah. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth.